Hey everybody, Himma Thalam. Today's topic is a little bit phonetics. So it's about initial th sound. In Turkmen we have all S is inner dental, like dental fricative th, and z also the. So initial th becomes h in Bashkir and totally disappears in Sakhan Dolgan. Sakhan Dolgan is spoken in Yakutia, like or 9,000 kilometers away from Central Asia, but we still have similarities like long vowels and stuff. So first word is you. In Turkmen it's thin, you, thin. Like Turkish, Uzbek, and Azerbaijani, they say sen, sen, se. But we say thin, it becomes hin in Bashkir and totally disappears in Sakhan Dolgan. It became n. And water, thu. In Bashkir, hu. In Sakha and Dogan, it's u. See? So this is the reason why it's a common phenomenon. Th becomes h and then disappears. So the milk, thüt, Bashkir hut, Sakha ut. So even the ut and thüt, the long vowel is the same. See? So the verb milk, to milk, thagh, in Bashkir how, in Sakha and Dogan, so same, like first initial disappeared, ua and oaq. And the word each every, like thayin, hayin in Bashkir, I in Dolgan and Sakha. See, long vowel a is same, like thayin, I. And the last word is eight. In Turkmen it's thikiv. Higid in Bashkir, see it's same, like the dental fricatives are same, th and the. And Sakha and Dolgan, first initial is disappeared as always, like ağız, it became ağız. It means eight. Thikiv, higid, ağız. So that's it. Some people, some scholars don't, I can't say it's, they don't agree with this. I just want to say they don't believe, not it's not the right word. They don't agree with this, but that's most of the people agree with this. But me too, because this is a logical explanation about that. First initial th became h and then totally disappears. So thank you. Hem sağ olun. Sağ aman oturun, hoş oturun.